The first letter of Eve is E and the word is await, which meaning is manage to escape. In Hindi, बच निकलना. Mnemonic है a plus wait equal to await. Let's see the use of this word in the sentence and how to learn it through mnemonic inside the story. Ah, wait for a minute. We heard the voice from our bag when my friend and I were walking in the jungle. We turned back and saw it was a tiger who was calling us. Without a second thought, we started running and evaded from his eyes. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Go On Buddy. Our today's topic and formula is Eve Walk. As you can see on the screen that Eve Walk consists 7 letters and with each letter we have a new word. We will learn all the words like await with meanings, mnemonic and pictures, and this formula Eve Walk would help you to remember all the words in a sequence. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel Go On Buddy. The second letter of Eve is V and the word is vigor, which meaning strength or energy. The mnemonic is V plus gir, vigor equal to vigor. Tiger also ran behind us. Then suddenly we stumbled to a big stone and we fell, गिर गए on the ground. But I stood up with vigor and then never saw behind. The last letter of Eve is E and the word is elated, which meaning very happy and excited. Mnemonic is he plus lated equal to elated. As I ran with vigor, I had left Tiger far behind. He was late to catch me. I had saved my life and was elated. The first letter of the walk is W and the word is worn out, which means extremely tired. Mnemonic is worn plus out equal to worn out. I had won the race and was out of danger. I rested for a while as I was worn out completely. The next letter is A and the word is aghast, which meaning filled with horror and surprise when you see or hear something. In Hindi, भौचक्का होना. Mnemonic is Agastya. I was aghast when I saw Agastya was not with me. I filled with horror. The next letter is L and the word is limb, which means a leg or an arm of a person. My limbs were shaking and trembling. I was silent and numb. Here limbs is the plural form of limb. The last word is K and the word is kick off, which means to start an event or activity. Mnemonic is kick. After a few minutes of thinking, I kicked off my journey in search of Agastya. Soon I found him and what I saw was beyond my imagination. He was playing with the tiger. I kicked him to give me worry and tension, and then we came back to home. So guys, these are all the words which we learned throughout the story. I request you to pause the video and note down all the vocabularies with their meanings and mnemonics. Guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, so please comment and share it, and join our YouTube family by subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. Meet you in the next video with some more tricks and vocab. Till then, enjoy.